How to start investing when you're totally clueless. Ever feel like investing is a secret club you can't get into? Many dream of building wealth, but feel overwhelmed by the complexities of investing. You're not alone. We're here to demystify the process and make it accessible to everyone. In this video, we'll show you how to start investing, even if you're starting from zero. We'll provide a clear roadmap to help you invest with confidence. We'll cover understanding your financial goals, choosing the right investments, and common pitfalls to avoid. And stick around for a bonus tip that will supercharge your investing journey. The very first step is understanding why you want to invest in the first place. What are your financial goals? Are you saving for retirement, down payment on a house, dream vacation, or something else entirely? Knowing your goals is crucial because it directly guides your investment strategy. Your why provides the motivation and direction you need to stay committed to your investment plan. It helps you make informed decisions and stay focused on the long term. Next, you need to assess your risk tolerance. How comfortable are you with the possibility of losing money in your investments? Understanding your risk tolerance is crucial for choosing the right investments. It's all about balancing risk and potential reward. Risk-averse investors who are uncomfortable with significant losses might prefer safer investments like bonds or low-volatility funds. Risk-tolerant investors, on the other hand, might be comfortable with higher-risk investments like stocks for potentially higher returns. Now, let's explore some beginner-friendly investment options. These are designed to be relatively simple to understand and manage. First up are index funds. These are great for diversification because they track a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. Index funds offer broad exposure to the market, reducing the risk associated with investing in individual stocks. They're a low-cost way to get started. Next, we have exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are similar to index funds, but trade like stocks on an exchange, offering more flexibility. ETFs can track various indexes, sectors, or investment strategies. They're a versatile option for building a diversified portfolio. Finally, consider Robo-Advisors. These automate the investment process by creating and managing portfolios based on your goals and risk tolerance. Robo-Advisors use algorithms to select investments and rebalance your portfolio automatically. They're a hands-off option for beginners. To start investing, you'll need to open an investment account with a broker. Choosing the right broker is an important decision. Look for online brokers that offer low fees, educational resources, and a user-friendly interface. These features can make the investing process much easier. Some reputable broker examples include Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and Vanguard. Research each broker to find one that fits your needs. Consider factors like account minimums, trading fees, and the availability of research tools. A good broker can provide the support you need to succeed. One of the most important principles of investing is to start small and invest consistently. You don't need a lot of money to begin. The power of compounding means that even small amounts can grow significantly over time. The key is to stay consistent and patient. Focus on the long term and avoid trying to time the market. Market timing is notoriously difficult, even for experienced investors. Instead, focus on regularly investing a set amount, regardless of market conditions. This strategy is known as dollar cost averaging. Here's your bonus tip: educate yourself. The more you learn about investing, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Read books, watch videos, and follow reputable financial advisors. Continuous learning is essential for long-term success. Some recommended resources include books like The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham and A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. There are also many excellent online resources and courses available. Never stop learning and refining your investment knowledge. The more you know, the more confident you'll be. So, are you ready to start investing? It's time to take the first step towards building your financial future. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. This helps us create more content like this. Also, comment below with your biggest investing challenge. We'd love to hear from you and address your questions in future videos. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. Stay patient, stay consistent, and keep learning. Thank you for watching, and happy investing. We hope this video has empowered you to take control of your financial future. Until next time, take care. We'll be back soon with more tips and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals.